Good morning, it's Douglas from RAIZOR bringing you the latest AI news for today, Wednesday, February 26, 2025. First up, here's an overview of today's highlighted topic on our blog. The knowledge economy is dead, long live the innovation economy. According to LinkedIn's chief economic officer, we're moving from a knowledge economy to an innovation economy as AI takes over routine intellectual tasks. This shift emphasizes human skills like creativity, curiosity, courage, compassion, and communication, the 5 C's, which are crucial for innovation and challenging existing norms. The rise of AI is expected to democratize innovation by providing more people with tools to bring their ideas to life, potentially addressing historical socioeconomic barriers. The workplace transformation driven by AI is making traditional success markers like educational background and prestigious work experience less relevant. Instead, the focus is shifting to skills that AI cannot replicate, with nearly 90% of C-suite executives prioritizing AI adoption. This change opens up new opportunities for innovation while also presenting challenges, such as potential job displacement and the need for significant investment in workforce training. The article suggests several business opportunities in response to these changes, including platforms that connect people with AI tools, learning platforms teaching the 5 C's, and consulting services for AI integration. While AI offers possibilities for innovation and inclusivity, success in this new era will require balancing technological advancement with human skills development and ensuring equitable access to AI resources. You can read the full blog post at razor.co/blog. Now let's get into today's news. Anthropic has introduced a new artificial intelligence model that combines quick responses with controllable extended thinking features. The system allows users to switch between standard responses and a more detailed thinking mode, with support for processing up to 128,000 tokens of information. The model shows significant improvements in coding tasks and has reduced unnecessary refusals by 45% compared to previous versions. Software development teams could leverage this tool to improve code quality and accelerate development cycles, particularly useful for technical leads reviewing complex code bases. Qwen has developed a new artificial intelligence model that provides transparent reasoning processes through its thinking feature. The company plans to make the technology openly available under an Apache 2.0 license, including a version optimized for local deployment. The system has demonstrated superior performance in code-related tasks compared to other leading platforms. Technology managers can implement this tool for in-house development projects, particularly valuable for organizations requiring secure local artificial intelligence solutions. A new communication protocol enables artificial intelligence agents to detect each other using sound and transition to direct data transmission. The system utilizes open-source technology to facilitate communication between artificial intelligence systems. This innovation reduces both computing costs and communication time significantly. Operations managers can implement this protocol to improve efficiency in automated warehouses or manufacturing facilities where multiple artificial intelligence systems need to coordinate activities. Google has launched a free artificial intelligence coding assistant that helps with writing, debugging, and understanding code. The system offers substantial monthly code completions and daily chat requests for users. The tool integrates with popular development environments and platforms including Visual Studio Code and JetBrains. Development teams can use this tool to streamline coding processes and improve productivity, especially beneficial for startups and small businesses looking to optimize their development resources. DeepSeek has restored access to its API service following a 3-week suspension period. The company now manages server resources with specific constraints during peak hours. The temporary shutdown was implemented in response to security concerns following a malicious attack. Technology teams can now resume integration with DeepSeek services, though they should plan around daytime resource constraints when developing artificial intelligence-powered applications. Those are the most important AI news articles for today. Want the links from these podcasts, as well as all the latest tools and various new jobs in the AI sector? Join the newsletter at razor.co and get in touch to learn how to cut costs, boost revenue, and accelerate your business growth with AI-powered automations.